Great camera, huge battery, and an S Pen with heaps of new tricks up its sleeve. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm here to tell you 3 things that you'll absolutely love about this new phone. The Note range always comes with the S Pen. It's great for productivity, writing stuff on your screen, it's fantastic. But this year, it gets even better with the help of something called Air Gesture. Air Gesture turns your S Pen into a magic wand of sorts. You can swipe left and right to change your tracks, and you can also swipe up and down to change your volume, and it's built into a range of different apps. The other thing I absolutely love about this new Note 10 is the camera. Having the Note 10 Plus is like having 5 cameras right in your pocket. There's 4 on the back and 1 on the front. Plus, it's got this really fantastic new 3D sensor, which allows you to do pro camera effects right inside the phone. The third thing I love about this phone is the battery. If you're anything like me, you're on your phone constantly. And by the end of the day, you're scrambling for the closest charge port. Samsung has really beefed up the battery on the Note 10 Plus, which means that you can get more out of your phone for longer. Head to Telstra Exchange for more.